Llama is a domestic South American camelid. It is widely used as a meat. A chicks is a baby bird, especially a just hatched chicken. The dog is a domesticated descendant of the wolf. Cow is a domestic animal that provides meat and milk. A fish is a scaly skinned vertebrate that swims in water and breathes using gills. Mini ducks are birds relatively small in size and with shorter necks than their close cousin of swans and geese. Zebras are equipped members of the horse family. Leopards live in the desert and grassland of the southern tip of Africa. Rabbits are mammals, which is an animal that has warm blood and bags. Monkeys are a large and diverse mammal group that include most primates. Cats are active carnivores, meaning that in the wild they hunt live prey. The giraffe is a large African hoofed mammal belonging to the genus Giraffa. The gaur is a wild variety of cattle found in hilly country of India. Peacocks are ground feeders that eat insects, plants, and small creatures. Rooster is an adult male chicken, domesticated subspecies of the red jungle fowl. The dog is a domesticated descendant of the wolf. Cows are animals that are found all over the world. Lobsters are large crustaceans that live in the sea. The pecan duck is a domesticated duck used primarily for egg and meat production. The horse is a domesticated one-toed hoofed mammal. Monkey engendered any of nearly 200 species of tailed primates. Cats are active carnivores, meaning that in the wild they hunt live prey. Swan is a medium-sized mammal and the largest of the Procyonidae family. Goat is any of various hollow-horned ruminant mammals related to the sheep. The ostrich is the world's largest bird, roam African fauna and desert land. The giraffe is a long-necked hoofed mammal. Wild caught is more terrestrial vertebrates play an important role in the ecosystem. A hen is a female chicken that lay eggs. Dogs are mammals, usually kept as pets or for work on farms or police. Cows are important domesticated animals that provide meat and milk. A fish is an aquatic craniate gill-bearing animal that lays limbs with digits. A mini duck is a breed that has a larger counterpart and has been bred to be a lot smaller. Kangaroos are the world's largest marsupial. Horses are non-ruminant herbivores, meaning they eat mainly plant material.